It was our friends and family and everybody out here in TV land, Facebook land, YouTube land, whatever. All right. Well, I'm in the 7th Ward. Behind me is Columbia Park. Yeah, you know. Wonder who the hell that was. Never mind who the hell that was. Okay. Things done changed back here, as y'all know. Okay. Uh-huh. Look down here. Never mind looking down here. All right, so here I am down this street here. Okay. Yep. I mean, I only miss the old days from back in the day, in the 90s, you know. Okay, so somebody look familiar over here. Yeah, you know, we used to live up there in that house. I used to live on this side right here where I'm pointing at to y'all, okay? I mean, I had good times up there, but I don't miss living up there, though. I really don't. Oops, oh, sorry about, I thought I pressed the wrong thing, y'all. I apologize for that, though, okay? All right. Snappy cuts, Yeah, I remember going in there, My mom used to go there, you know? Yep, so yeah, you know, so this is just back in the day, you know? Hello? So...
What you survey?
Huh?
You doing surveys?
Nah, I'm just doing a vlog. All right, so anyway, y'all. As I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just out here taking a little walk. About to go get me some gumbo stuff. All right, so there's a little pool right here. I don't know what that pool for, you know. They did a barber shop right there. They demolished that. Sun is shining. Yep. Mm-hmm. These ain't what they used to be. Uh-huh. All right, so anyway, yeah, I'm just out here. Who was that? What was that? Okay. Oh, it's this guy, huh? Oh, it's you. Hello, how you doing? There's a dog and more animals on here. Those guys. Never mind those guys. I don't like those guys at all. So, here we go. Imagine that. Okay. I'm on Paris. I'm on Lafreniere and stuff like that, you know. Okay. This house is still abandoned. Nobody ain't gonna move in there. Oh, but like they say, look before you leap, you know? Okay? All right, so anyway, y'all, I haven't eaten nothing yet, so I'm gonna go. Yeah, a bus just passed. I wasn't gonna get on that one. I'll go on the broad, you know. The police right there, you know. So I usually go down there, you know. So I'm gonna walk down this street here. Okay. The bus had passed and stuff like that, you know. So I remember going here, Lucy's, but it used to be 3 S's, you know. They call it Lucy's now. Yep, Lucy's now, you know. All right, so let's go walk down this street down Lafreniere. Hopefully I ain't gonna be bothered by no dogs, you know. So how dangerous can back here be, you know? My auntie always tell me, and my mama too, told me be aware of my surroundings. I'm looking around. Yep. It don't look atrocious or whatever, you know. Okay, so I might have to charge up my camera. I'm on Lafreniere. Uh-huh. By the way, today my friend Latoya's birthday. I ain't gonna wish her a happy birthday, you know. Well, happy birthday to her though. You know, I already, she came to my house for my birthday, you know. At least I gave her some pizza and chicken, you know. And probably an ice cream cake. Nah, I don't think so. I'm gonna give me an ice cream cake later or whatever. I don't know when I'll do that, you know. One person say I shouldn't have came with that, you know. Yep. Yeah, I'm on Brooksville right now. Okay. Brooksville and Lafreniere. Okay. All right. I'm so hungry right now. I think I'm gonna give me a gumbo. All right. All right. So down by Republic, going to Republic, you know. All right. So hopefully it'll continue to record or something like that, you know. It's a nice house right there, y'all. Wish I had a house like this if it's good enough. Yep. God bless me with a house with an upstairs living room, you know. Nice room that's an office or whatever. If y'all know what's up, you know. Yep. So it's not the first of the month, you know. As some of you already know, it's not the first of the month, you know. So, all right. Yep. Let's go down to here or there. Okay. This is a nice neighborhood. Don't get me wrong, you never know what could happen. You know, I never hear nothing bad about around here. You know, I never do. You know, As long as they don't bring that messy crap around here, then you're good. You know, you're definitely good. You know, And again, the sun is shining. Yep, watch that sun. Yep. I'm so damn hungry. Give me a gumbo later, you know. Well, right now, you know. Business first. All right. Yep. All right. Yeah. And some person is begging me to get a NCAA Game Breaker 2000. I'm gonna get that when I can, okay? And the guy was rushing me to get that. You know, I'm gonna get that when I can, okay? So don't rush me, bro. So all I'm gonna say is don't rush me. You know? Oh, they got 2 dogs, you know? I'm gonna show y'all these dogs, okay? All right. Look. There they go. Oh, look at them. They're cursing at me. You see that? Hey. Oh. Hey, come on, I'm just a person. Okay. Yeah, them dogs embarrassing themselves on national TV. Oh, hello. Yeah, they barking at me. Hello. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, they didn't change the routes around. They didn't change the bus routes.
Oh, yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, so I'm doing a petition, to change the routes back the way it was.
So you don't like the way they changed them?
Some of them, not all.
Yeah, but look like it's best for changing in this area.
Oh well, that's good though.
Yeah.
That part is good.
Oh,
At least it's still coming this way.
yeah.
It's just certain buses that don't go in areas where they used to.
Oh, okay.
That's what I don't like.
Oh, I don't blame you.
Yeah, and it's affecting my auntie, and she lives somewhere but Beacon Light, and the buses stopped going back there.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Over here, back here?
yeah, back there, you should go down Maribor and make a left on Saint Anthony. It don't go there for now.
You mean to tell me that's where those churches are?
Yeah,
Then you mean to tell me they stop them from going that way?
yeah, that was a stupid idea.
So wrong. It's one of those pastors don't get behind.
Oh yeah, of course they already doing a petition back there.
Okay.
Yeah, where my auntie stay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm working with the community doing a show and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
They haven't changed the buses. They haven't changed the buses over there.
Oh, that ain't gonna happen. I'm a petition for them to bring the broad right there too.
No, they haven't changed them here.
I know. But I'm a do a petition to improve the.
I'm gonna tell you why.
Right.
See, Green lives in Gentilly.
Who?
Green, our cousin,
Oh.
he lives in Gentilly.
Okay.
And he lives back a little bit further in Gentilly.
All right.
I don't think he's going to ever let him change it because you see, that's still a university now.
Yeah. Well.
People catch the bus sometimes after class.
Yeah.
Or even they catch the bus, to come down this way.
Oh yeah. So I'm gonna do a petition for the Admiral routes and improve the community.
Yeah.
So all right then.
Okay, darling.
All right.
You take it easy
I
now.
will. Yeah, I'm talking to an elderly lady, in case y'all wondering. Okay. All right. So yeah, I'm. All right. Here we go. All right. All right. That go a bus right now. Y'all see that bus right there, the yellow bus? Well, the yellow painted bus. Huh. Well, I'll show you what problem I have. Okay. Huh. Got that bus right there. All right. Okay. I'm almost to Gentilly, y'all. Oh, look at this goal. What happened to this basketball goal right here? Wonder why they did it like that. That's a dang shame. All right, the Broad Napoleon is a good route. That's gonna stay as is, Look at these trash. All this trash right here, you see? Look at all this. Well, it ain't no shame though. It just for the people to pick up, All right. Yep. All right. And I don't like the bus stop on the bridge. I don't know who came up with that idea, Well, if it's convenient for people right here, keep it as is, I'm about to show y'all, okay? Y'all see that bus stop sign right there? I hope y'all can see it. Look at this right here. All right. a back street right here, you know. One of the old bus stop signs, you know. Yeah, so, I mean, I'm going to keep it real with you. If it's convenient for the people right here, keep it this way, you know. Yep. Just keep it this way. That's the old RTA logo. Look like the second RTA logo right there. Partner. I wonder why they wrote that on here. The same thing was on here, you know. Yep. Got the video of that, you know. Okay. So the bra gonna come on this bridge. We'll probably stop at this bus stop right here too, you know. Probably will stop at that bus stop, you know. It'll be called the Broad Gentilly. Okay? Alright. Okay. So, now I'm by Dillard University, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? So, well, I'm close to it, you know. Look at this street over here. Yeah. Oh, hello. Look at this street over here. It's a nice place right there, huh, y'all? A nice street to stay on, you know. Yep. Yeah, nobody want loud music in their neighborhood, you know. Especially at night, you know. What the hell? That bus made a U-turn? That bus made a U-turn. Oh yeah, that bus not in service, y'all. That bus had made a U-turn. Ain't that something, y'all? Uh-huh. All right. All right. I think they need to buy some more buses, you know. That's what I think, though, you know. All right, so they do need to buy some more buses, honestly, y'all. Okay. I gotta eat, so I'm gonna go buy me a gumbo, okay? So I'll see y'all later, okay? Bye-bye, y'all.